Hi Ben.
Hello.
Hi. Long time no see. We've got a friend here, Barra from America, who's also an 86 driver. So just going through little setups and talking about all the stuff we shoehorned in there. Yeah.
So what was the problem with the V-mount setup?
I guess we're using the new radiator.
This one's mint. What are you on about? We weren't able to reach the front of the motor. So from a service perspective, it's like if you have a 5-minute call or you've got a leak or something like that, you couldn't get to anything.
Mr. George.
Apparently we are dynoing Stan from Lucky G's car again. We have Keisuke's car to do as well, and then I believe we're going to do Nathan's car. So it's turned in from a Honda dyno day to a drift dyno day, and yeah, we've got lots to do. It's going to be a late one, unfortunately. Stan's car is obviously a show car. Oh, it's a deep burn! It is ready for SEMA. It's got a split downforce option, so that's what we call like a front wing.
Active aero.
That's right, active aero, just like a McLaren. And it doesn't have an idle control motor, so it was a bit of a pain in the ass for Nathan to bring it in here, and he just whacked himself in the face with the steering wheel. Oh, you alright? Yeah. So anyway, when Dan gets back from driving the boned FL5, we will move into some SR20 goodness.
By the stand screw.
Yeah, the things I do for that boy. This is even gas that I paid for, not him. He literally called me up while I was taking a poo. Right, I took the phone, he goes, oh, I don't need gas. So can you put your car on the dyno first? I said, no, I got gas for you, mate. And then I showed him my poo, so it was good. Your stand's not safe. No. We're just locking Stan again.
Am I going to catch an SUV when I jump in this car?
Nah, you just got married, you're all good then. But you might get pregnant.
The seat's probably all greasy or anything.
As a Honda guy, I can't... This is really hard for me to deal with. It's all beaten up to shit and dirty. And... But Torque Performance, the new SR guys, so it's
What are we doing, Daniel?
We're running this greasy pile of... No, we're running Stan's car. Stanley G. Anyway, yeah.
What's in it?
An SR. More SR. So, yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Right. Stan's got a day on Monday, and he needs to check the car out for for the AFRs. So he brought it to Torque Performance on the dyno for Daniel to set the car up and make sure that it's running okay.
Kind of halfway right. Basically, I called Stan and said, hey, I know you've had your video, you've got your thing on Monday, bring your car in, we'll run it on the dyno, we'll check everything. You just caught me a little bit off guard. I've not even finished putting the car on the dyno yet, and it's
useless.
Like in your face. The USB plug in this is a bit crunchy.
Why is it crunchy?
Because it's been floating around at the bottom of this car. God knows how long.
Something else is knocking.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Cylinder 3. Fucking spit.
Yeah, I was going to flip it the other way.
Just make it to a selfie the whole time.
POV, mate. Mia Khalifa, come on down.
Yeah.
What was the issue?
Someone's played with the map since I've last been there, so the boost control was turned off. It's just running wastegate only, so if you can see wastegate versus not wastegate. I'm not logging the boost, AFR, I didn't have the probe on it, but I'm watching on the logs on the link. But yeah, just somebody turned the power off, so that's all good. It's got power back in it, 2.2 bar, so we'll leave it at that.
JDM spec.
Strapped it on differently, just tweaked it a little bit, put the original timing back into it, but it's all good now. Making pretty much the same power, which is 300 and something at the crank, so like 270 at the wheels. So, and that's on 18, 19 pounds, which is fine. Comes on boost real hard, making peak torque at about 5,000. So yeah, enough to do a skid. Yeah, bro. It's gonna get real loud in here. The new TurboCare production turbos on the car. Nathan's new manifolds on the car, so it should have a bit of a different sound. Dan's going to have to, it'll probably be wide open, and sort of cruise might be a little bit different with the bigger turbo housing, but we're really interested to see how it goes. And the car hasn't really run in a couple of months, it's kind of been in bits around the workshop, so hopefully nothing falls off, everything's done up and we did our job properly.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? It's no good.
It's been really weird having like you here, Pierce, and then other people filming, and I'm trying to do work and customers want to talk to me, so I haven't been in the video very much, but I am here. I still think it's going to be a late one though. I said it'll be a real late one if something goes wrong. Oh, fucking been there, done that. Used to it. D1 license. We've put a new exhaust housing on the turbo. Haven't made any other changes to the engine or the car or anything. Just yet. New rear exhaust housing, which obviously means the boost controls are going to have to be redone, which is what I'm going to be doing now. Yeah, just seeing how that reacts, what the difference it is in performance, and yeah, just go from there.
Well, I almost just came in just to say hi and watch it jump off the dyno. So it's making way more grunt. So we're gonna stop it, go through the wheels, which is great for the alignment, but doesn't really matter. And pull it a little bit that way, a little bit forward, so it can't do that anymore because that was shady as fuck.
Before and after. So see the boost is coming in a little bit earlier. Yep. So below 4,000, very much of a muchness, but we're holding the tail up, it's not falling over. Yeah. Compared to the other one, well, the other housing, pretty much 0.1 of a bar, which is what, 1.45 pound of boost. We're pretty much making, well, probably the easiest way to explain it is that we are making the same power and about two pound less. Less boost, same power with that housing, which is good. And also it doesn't seem to fall over, like at the top, you know, after about say 6.5, this is just holding nice and flat all the way. So that's good. I think with the limiter as well, because it was one of the things that you were struggling with last season, it was quite slow. We've shortened up the hysteresis for the hard cut, and yeah, that's it's coming on. It's obviously re-engaging a little bit quicker, and to make this life a little bit easier. Just don't break the gearbox.
Try not to. Yeah. So on 1.5 it's made pretty much 40 horsepower more and 15, 20 foot-pound. 15.
No, that's 30. It's 25 foot-pounds.
25 foot-pounds.
447. Very much, the dyno's a bit
undercalibrated
a bit.
Yeah. So, pretty good going. And realistically, the torque curve's predominantly the same. It has more up the top, which is good. Boost comes on a little bit laggier, but I mean, we're talking, 500 RPM. Yeah, but I mean, at the same time, if the torque curve's the same, it doesn't really matter. So,
yeah. Because we got, that's correct with the timing anyway.
Yeah. So, perfect. Good outcome.
Yeah. Not smoking either.
No.
Cool.
Gotta go like a cat.
Yeah.